Welcome back to Vivid Racing YouTube channel. Today we have a 2023 Toyota GR Corolla. You guys been asking about this and we finally got it. We are really excited. Before we jump right into the technical specs, we're gonna do a quick walk around and see what our first impressions are. The GR Corolla comes with a factory wide body kit. It's 2.4 inches wider than the regular Corollas, and I really like how it looks. And this is the only factory wide body in its class, I believe. And it has the tri-tip exhaust. It looks really cool, but I think we could upgrade it to something like titanium tip. If some brand want to send us an exhaust system, hit us up. Let's take a look at wheels. It has the 18-inch Toyota equipped NK wheels. It's produced by NK. So it has a nice quality wheels, but I think VR Forged can do something cool with this, so stay tuned. Here we have a factory kind of like side skirt. It has GR4. That is a great touch, but we could use some, actually carbon fiber side skirts. I think that will look better. And here we have nice GR badge right here, and it's actually functional air ducts. Ding, 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 ding. I see the red GR branded calipers. I feel like it's gonna be a little bit small, so we can probably use something bigger and upgrade it. One thing I noticed is like ride height. I like it low, so maybe we will drop it a little bit, like maybe this much. And I think that will make a huge difference. Looking at the front, I really like the nice, subtle factory looking. It's clean, but I think if we can replace those plastic trims, it will look more aggressive. And I would actually like to add a front lip and drop it low. What do you guys think? I think it will look sick. What do you guys think? Carbon fiber mirror cap? We got a nice manual e-brake. It's handbrake. And the shifter feels really, really solid, easy to shift. And it has like a little GR sign right here. I love that little touch. And everything is really close and it's easy to, reach. At the end of the day, it's still a Toyota. It's very race-inspired Toyota. And I love the racing seats. Did you guys see this?
How do the buckets feel?
Buckets? I was actually whipping around the corners and it just keeps my body in place so it doesn't have a lot of body roll. It's really nice. It already comes with racing seats, so you don't have to spend like $3,000 for a seat. So I love that. Do not have a center console, so you can't really put like your sunglasses up here. It has a really tiny cup holder, so if you are like me and you want to get like a tall bottle of water all the time, I don't know, you might need an extension for that. You know what? Let's pop the hood real quick. Noise. Wow, fancy. Ouch. There we go. Wow, look at that. It's a 1.6 liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. Same as the GR Yaris. This is the closest thing we can get in the States. I'm super excited. We can probably get an intake system upgraded over here. It's a brand new car, looks clean. I think we can do a lot to this. What do you guys think? What should we do on the first performance mods? Leave it in the comments. All right, let's go. Overall, it's a really fun car. It's really fun to get on it. And look at that, great handling. And because we have the racing seats already, you do not have a lot of body roll. It's already, let me get this. Woo! You see that? Hell yeah. Does it already have a blow-off valve? It sounds really good, but if we can upgrade it to something like HKS, like blow-off valves, that would be sick. And it feels like planted almost. It doesn't, you know what I'm talking about? I don't know. Yeah, when you let off the gas, just phew. Yo. Yeah. Above 3,000 RPM, around 4,000, that's like, turbo actually kicks in, I feel like, and it just like wants to go. I love that. Woo! fun. Now we're back at VR. We are test fitting our VR forced wheels. These are D09s. What wheels do you think we should put on this GR Corolla? Let me know in the comments. So we're gonna try out some wheel options. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you thought of this GR Corolla and what we should do on the next episode. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.